This smartwatch is the most impressive smartwatch I've ever used before. I've used all the big brands, but I've got to say this one impresses me the most simply because of the battery life, but also so many amazing key features. One thing I love about this also is it is waterproof, water resistant, to be able to swim with for 30 minutes, which I think is pretty awesome. You can swipe up to see some of your recent notifications, swipe down for a quick panel of some key features, everything from flashlight, sleep mode, power saver, alarm, things like that. And when you swipe to the side, you're able to see some things that are currently going on, music I was just playing, any calendar events, and my sleep from last night. And then from the other side, when you swipe this way, there's 4 quadrants. So here's kind of like an overview of everything, of your daily activity, steps, calorie burn, distance walked. You've got your sleep from the night before. And then you have your heart rate, your breathing, and blood oxygen, which is really cool. Something that I find really fascinating about this watch is it has some rare features that you don't usually see in watches, like blood oxygen, and which is really cool. So this is from when I was last wearing it. That's great, 99%. You can hit start and you're able to measure your blood oxygen. You're also even able to track your blood glucose and even blood pressure, which is, again, extremely rare to be able to do any of those things on any type of smartwatch, but this one does it all. It has an app that also pairs along with it. So you can see these are the same stats that were just showing on my watch. So you're able to see in live time when it's connected to Bluetooth, you can see all your daily activity, your steps, your miles, heart rate. You can track your runs. When I go for a run and I wear this, then I can later see everything about my run on the app as well. I can see my pace, my distance, timing, everything. So much detail. I'm a big statistic person, so being able to see all the detail on my phone, a lot more detail, is really great. There are so many features on this watch. I won't be able to hit them all, but I love also that you're able to just spin this around to be able to scroll. Of course, you can also scroll on here, but it has so many features. When you can't find your phone, you can also use the Find Phone feature. You have everything on here. You can make phone calls, receive phone calls with just a touch of a button. Security SOS with just a touch of a button. Respiratory rate, stress levels, heart rate, sport records, keep track of your best runs, your best workouts. So much is on here. Also, I didn't even touch about the customization of the front screen. You can change the watch face so easily. I like the classic look, but there's really cool modern designs. You can even customize it with your own picture. I'll even rotate out every once in a while. I put pictures of my family on here so I can see my whole family, and then you can even customize where the time and date will be. If, let's say, in the photo your family faces are over here, you can have it so that the time shows in the other corner, so it's not covering what you want to see on the watch. There are still so many features about this watch, but this is just an intro. It is an amazing product. Another thing I've got to say, I wish I hit on this earlier, the battery life is so impressive on this thing. I've been wearing this for a week and it hasn't died yet. I've never had a smartwatch where I haven't had to charge it, every day or every other day, but you can wear this for weeks on end without it dying. I don't know how they got such an amazing battery in this small device, but they did an amazing job with this. Go get yourself this watch and you will not regret it. 100% recommend it.